Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing RAW into Lightroom and immediately culling. This saves editing time. Once done, apply the camera profile so colors behave predictably. Make initial global exposure adjustments to nail midtones and overall brightness. Use flags or star ratings to narrow the edit set quickly, then enable lens corrections and remove chromatic aberration so straight lines and color fringing don't mislead you during detailed work. Next, refine tone and color while watching the histogram. Start with highlights/shadows and whites/blacks to retrieve detail, then use the tone curve for precise contrast shaping. The curve controls midtone contrast in a way sliders can't. For color, adjust temp/tint broadly, then switch to HSL for targeted hue, saturation, and luminance corrections. Finally, sharpen for output size and apply noise reduction on a 1:1 view to avoid smudging. Use masking to protect fine edges. Finish with local adjustments. Paint exposure or clarity with the brush, add vignettes or graduated skies, and use radial filters for subject emphasis. Once satisfied, sync settings to similar images or save a preset to speed future work, and soft proof to check final color for web versus print. Export with the right format, resolution, and output sharpening, then back up the catalog and originals. If colors clip or look odd, toggle the profile and reset white balance. That usually restores a correct baseline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.